guys, welcome to another haul video. It is a couple days late. I do apologize for that. These are the items that I won from High Bid Auction. I won a lot of salt and pepper shakers, guys. There are some amazing pieces in this lot. I also got a lot of Pixies. Yes, I said Pixies. I did show some items that I got from the vanity lot, but there were a couple more that are included in this video as well. And I also have some items I picked up over the weekend at just a regular estate sale. So, without further ado, let me get started. I just put these out. They had been in boxes, so not everything has been researched, but I wanted to show you guys anyway. Again, if you have any questions about anything, you can always reach out to me. You can email or DM me. All that information is at the end of the video. I'm going to go ahead right now and start off by saying, if you could please take a second and like the video or leave a comment. Share if you like my channel, and definitely subscribe if you like my channel as well. I love all things vintage, and I love sharing all my finds with you. So here we go. Okay, I'm going to start at the back. So I won all of these shakers in a lot, like I said, on High Bid. And, you know, when you're bidding on High Bid and there's no preview, or you can't go to the preview, you know, sometimes you do get damaged items. So I'm going to show those to you. At first I wasn't going to, but then I thought, you know what, I'm going to show them because it's all a learning process for me as well as some of you, I bet. Okay, so these may be my favorites out of this lot. I have a hard time saying that because look at these devils, but these are so mid-century and so cool. So these are Native American, you know, they're Kachina dolls, or at least styled after them. There are no maker's marks on these. I did a quick search and I didn't find any maker's mark. I just saw mid-century, which of course they are. Look at the colors. Kachina doll. So I'm going to have to find out a little more about these. They're in amazing shape. And look at how cool they are. I have never seen anything like these. I absolutely love them. They are so cool. I love the design. I love the colors. I love everything about these. Now it is dark outside. You may be hearing the cicadas, but also the lighting is a little bit bad, so I apologize. Okay, and next to them are another pair. I believe these are mid-century as well. These are wooden salt and pepper shakers. These are very cool. They're really heavy. I think they're actually filled with salt and pepper. But if you were to purchase these from me, I would definitely, you know, empty out the salt and pepper, unless you wanted it for some reason. But it is making it a little bit heavy because these are, you know, pretty big. Okay, and then next to them are some other Native American shakers. These are also Kachina dolls in appearance. Does that make any sense? They're made to look like Kachina dolls. Obviously, they're ceramic. Gosh, it's been a day. But they're so cool. I love the colors on these. I just love them. These also do not have makers. I am going to either have to get Worth Point or spend a lot of time on some of these because I don't know much about them and I'm not finding a lot about them. Okay, so here are some more. Now these do have some cold paint loss. Cold paint loss. These to me look more tiki. Not sure about that. These are missing their stoppers, and like I said, there is some cold paint missing on them. I think they're really cool as well, though. I love all of these, to be honest with you. There's a little bit more missing, and that's actually a chip. So, you know, on High Bid, sometimes you don't see all the damage, and unfortunately that was the case with a few of these, including this one. I thought these were really cool, and I didn't even notice. So these were all laying in the yard like the other items were, and, you know, it was really hot, and I was trying to wrap them and get them in boxes, and I did not even notice that that one was chipped. So that's a disappointment. Pepper's fine, though. You know, you could definitely file that down, you know, to make it look a little bit better. They're really cool. These are also heavy. I think these are also full as well. Okay, now we're getting to some of the cute and kitschy ones. These are made in Japan, and they are penguins. Trying to get it to focus a little bit better for you. This one is wearing a little beret. He's so cute. There's the Japan mark there. They have the original cork stoppers. The other one does not have a hat, but he is just as cute. Yeah, these are adorable, guys. And these are in great shape. Okay, so next to them are these donkeys, burros, asses, whatever you want to call them. They're absolutely adorable. These are in amazing shape. These are souvenir pieces. There are the holes on the neck. These are from New Mexico, I want to say. Can't quite remember. There we go. Yeah, Tucumari, New Mexico. Super cute. And I'm glad these aren't damaged. None of the animals had any damage on them, which is great because I know most of you love the animals. Okay, these little chipmunks are so cute. They actually do have whiskers, as you can see there. So cute. There is the Made in Japan sticker on him. I'm not quite sure what they're doing. I guess they're just playing. They're having fun. This other guy is down on all fours, and he's so fucking cute. Oh, sorry guys. Freaking cute. There we go. He is missing one of his whiskers, but that's okay. You could always fix that if you wanted to. Super, super cute. Then next to them are this cute set of sports players. So you obviously have, well, this is a golfer. Oh, I thought this was baseball at first, but duh, he is a golfer. And he is with another golfer. These are also made in Japan, I do believe, but I haven't researched these two yet, so I don't know. They're not marked anywhere. Really cute little boys playing golf. And then next to them are some more of the animals. These are longhorn, or steer. These are also in amazing shape. No damage on these at all. These are really, really cool. They're really pretty. These are great. I mean, they look amazing. Oh, this one is marked. Victoria Ceramics, Japan. Not surprising that this would be in an estate sale in Texas. Okay, and then back over here, there are also two other salt and pepper shakers that are Native American. These are ceramic. They're hand painted, as you can see. Those are really cool as well. Then I've got some adorable dogs. Oh my gosh. So these are like Boston Terriers, I do believe. Look at all the detail on them. They are so cute. This guy's missing his stopper. I'm not sure if this one is. So this one has a different pose like the other set did. He does have his stopper. I mean, these are so cute, guys. Okay. And then next to them are these really cute pigs. Look at this face. These are also, oh, these are Relco. And they're also adorable. They're also in great shape. I didn't find any damage on the piggies either. So cute. I mean, just look at this pig. Look at the eyelashes on this pig. So cute. Okay. Now these will probably be the most popular out of the salt and peppers. These are Napco. And these are devils. And these devils are having fun playing instruments. Okay, let's focus. There we go. Super cute. These do go for a pretty high amount, just so you know, so they'll probably be priced a little bit high. I did pay up for this lot because of these guys and the animals. I knew you guys would like them, so I was happy to pay up. Really cute there. Look at that little spaghetti on top of his head. Super cute. Okay, and then, oh, I still have 3 more sets of shakers. I forgot about these. So I have these large metal ones as well. The S is a little bit rubbed off there. The pepper is not. Pepper's in great shape. You could always fix that if you wanted to. Then these are really cool, guys. So these are lanterns, and they have different colored stoppers and holders here. These are really cool. There is the salt, and here is the pepper. I don't know. I just thought these were really neat. I don't think I'd seen these before. And then there's also this set of nautical salt and pepper shakers, and they have compasses on them. Whoops, that is just the plastic bottom, so don't worry about that. Now these do work. and they work pretty good. I did test them outside. One of them has a little bit of damage on it, on one of the knobs on the wheel. These are also souvenir pieces. These are from the Grand Canyon, as you can see there. I'm going to be a little bit more gentle with this one because the plastic bottom is, oh no, his stayed on. Okay. Anyway, there's the damage right here. As you can see, the compass is still working on this one as well. I just need to reattach the bases. For some reason, they weren't on the shakers when I picked them up. Okay. Now, these Pixies are so stinking cute. Okay, so this guy, the one in yellow, I am not finding any damage on him or her. It could be a her. The face on this one is so sweet. Look at that side eye, guys. She is so cute. Here is the back. Just really, really cute. Oh, I know you guys are going to love these. And this one, this little green guy, does have a little bit of damage. First of all, there is some cold paint. Why am I doing that today? Lost there on the hat. Look at those eyes. And there's a little bit of damage there on the foot. But other than that, he's in pretty good shape as well. These are so cute, guys. I love them. And like I said, I know you guys will too. I know how popular Pixies are right now. And with Christmas coming up especially, it makes them even more desirable. So there they are. I do think the yellow one is my favorite just because of that side eye. So cute. Okay. Now in the vanity lot that I showed you in my last video, there were a couple of other non-vanity items. And one of them was this amazing Homeco lion cub. Look at this, guys. Look at this adorable lion and the turtle. So, so cute. The amount of detail in these is phenomenal. I do love the Masterpiece Homeco pieces. I think they're amazing. I do have the donkey in my personal collection that I absolutely love. And of course, the seal is adorable as well. These are obviously larger figurines, as you can see. And the amount of detail in these is just phenomenal. I love this figurine. So cute. Oh, I just love it. Okay, next to them, I think everything else, yeah. Nope, I lied. This one I also got as part of the vanity lot. And this is a hand-painted egg. And I do believe this is New Orleans, Japan. Yes, it is. This is just a really pretty trinket dish. You've got the really pretty flowers on it, the roses, and then you have the hand-painted gold parts in here. Just really, really pretty. So I think this is everything from High Bid. The rest I'm going to be showing you is items I picked up at an estate sale, excuse me, over the weekend. And the first thing I got there were there's these three felt horses. I'm losing my voice, guys. I'm so sorry. It's allergies. This is the smallest of the three. It's kind of like a palomino, maybe a little bit more yellow than a palomino would be, but that's okay. Then there is this black one, which is probably my favorite. He does have a bridle on. There's a little bit of damage on these, but it's not bad. I've seen them a lot worse. He does need to have his tail brushed. I think all of them do, so I will definitely be taking care of that. And then this is the biggest one. Very cute as well. As you can see, there's a little bit of damage there where the felt is coming off, but aren't these adorable? Love them. Okay. Also picked up this lion. I just thought it was cute and it has a lot of detail, so I went ahead and got him. And I do believe this is Russian. I believe that's what that stands for. Haven't looked him up yet. I just thought he was cute, so I went ahead and got him. Very nice detail on him as well. Then I got some postcards because I've been picking them up whenever I see them if they're vintage. This first one I want to show you is Niagara Falls. Now this is definitely an older postcard. I don't believe any of these are written on. They are not. So I don't know how old they are. This one is pretty old. Actually, I think most of these are. You can tell by the font. The rest of these I think are from Chicago. I think there may be another Canada, but most of these are from Chicago. This is the Norman Hotel. That's pretty cool there. And here's all the information about it. Again, none of these are filled out, so there's no postmark date. So I'm going to have to do a little bit of digging to find out just how old these are. Oh, yeah. So this is from Windsor, Ontario. This is the hotel, or the Norton Palmer Hotel. Here is the back of this one. I believe somebody just got these, you know, from their travels. There's an old Chicago postcard. This is really cool as well. City of Towers. I think there might be one from Detroit, if I'm remembering correctly. Oh, here's the Public Library in Chicago. That's very cool as well. I think this may be the one. But no, this is from, I'm sorry guys, I'm just all messed up today. This is from, let's see, near St. Catherine, Ontario. That's a cool postcard as well. Oh yeah, this is the one from Detroit. This is the Majestic Hotel. Look, $1 per day, special weekly rates. Can you imagine? I don't know. This is really cool. Let's see here. Oh, look, we stayed. That's kind of what I thought. These were all together, so I'm sure, you know, somebody just collected postcards from their travels, which I think is really, really cool. Okay, and the last thing I have to show you guys, or things, are these brooches. These are all really, really nice. This one here, this is Napier. I think this is the only one that's marked. It has this really pretty bow design with kind of this woven gold there, and then it has the pearl in the middle. I think this would be great for Christmas, and in the middle is the Napier mark. Then there is this, which is also really, really pretty. This has the leaf design with the pearl in the middle. This is older. You can tell by the clasp there. This one is not marked either, like I said. The only one marked was the Napier. Okay, and this one is really cool. I'm going to have to do some more research on this. This is very heavy. It's very high quality, and it needs to be cleaned a little. Yeah, you can tell it kind of needs to be cleaned. Like, it could be a lot shinier. Here is the back. But like I said, it has some weight to it. It is very nice. And look at that cute cat. It's so precious. Okay, and then the last one I have is this elephant. This one is really nice as well. It has these rhinestones, and then it has the elephant himself, as you can see, is black, and then there is some gold detailing on him. I do not believe he is marked either. Nope, none of them are, just that one. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this short little haul. I hope to have another shop along for you guys tomorrow. I will be going out sourcing tomorrow, and I can't wait to show you guys what I find. I will hopefully see you guys on Wednesday night for my Wednesday night live sale with Miss Gina Vintage Digs. Make sure you follow her if you don't already. She is Vintage Digs, and her information is in my link tree. So if you're ever, you know, having trouble finding her, her information is in my link tree. We do all of our sales together, and Wednesday, like I said, is our late night sale. It's on this channel and my channel at 10:30 Eastern, 9:30 Central, and 7:30 Pacific. Then we have just started our Friday sales. Those are at 2 p.m. Eastern on Friday afternoon, which is 1 Central and 11 Pacific. Hope to see you guys at both sales. And again, I hope everyone has had a good Monday. I hope you enjoyed this little video as well. Take care, guys. Love ya.